Hello everyone. Today I will introduce how AI PagePolit AI browser works. I will start with the first part, how PagePolit AI browser manages the conversation context. It does the simple things. It first records everything you say, then read the chat history, organize the most recently used chat logs, keeping them short, and then send them to the large language model. When the model responds, and then it records it back. There is only 5 steps: record, read, organize, send, and then record it back. Imagine a real-world scenario. You are having a continuous chat with AI. Round 1, you ask A. Round 2, you ask B. Round 3, you ask C. The system must know what you are talking about. The system must know what you were talking about before. Otherwise, each round will be like amnesia. Therefore, it needs a chat ledger. What does it actually do? Step 1. Obtain the sensor ID, which represents who you are chatting with. The code first checks if the request contains a session key. If present, continue the conversation as a single session. If not, use the current request ID temporarily, essentially creating a new session. The session store. The function is here. Ensure session. It ensures the session has its own file. In layman's terms, first determine which file to save this chatting. Step 2. First write the user message into the file. The function is here. Adapt message. Let's look at write first, then consider the context. This ensures that what you just said is definitely within the current context and won't be missed. In layman's terms, after you finish speaking, the system first takes notes, then considers how to respond. Step 3. Read all the chat history. The function is here. Read the message. Let's look at it. It reads back line by line from JSON, creating a list of message objects. In layman terms, it reads the entire chat history from beginning to the end. Step 4. Start organizing chat logs. The function is here. Context pipeline assemble. It does several things. Number 1. clean up, delete, remove empty message and invalid content. Number 2, keep only the most recent round and exclude all the message. Number 3, trim excessively long content, especially large blocks of the text returned by tools. Shorten them if they are too long. Number 4, compress if it still exceeding limits at a summary or compression tax. In layman's terms, like packing a suitcase, throw away the junk first, keep the one you need most recently, and compress anything that takes up too much space. Number 5, construct a format the model can understand. The function is the to OpenAI message. It converts the internal message structure into a message arrives for a large language model API. Is format like this below. System, user, and the main message. Then use it to call the model. It translates your organized chat log into a standard format the model can understand. Step 6. After the large language model answered, then write it back to the notebook. We will use the same function, append the message, to add the answer into the notebook. This can ensure the next round can be continued from where it left off. The AI also needs to record what it says, otherwise it will forget why design it in this way. There are several reasons. Number 1, why write the user message first? The answer is to avoid missing the input in this round in extreme case and ensure the context continuity. Number 2, why limit the length? The model context window is limited. It's impossible to stuff history in efficiently. Without pruning, a run will occur or cost will skyrocket. Number 3, why persist store the chat history in the file? The answer is the sense can be continued after several restarts and everything won't be lost. Thank you very much for watching my video. I will see you soon.